I guess welcome back to another quick and a short video. I'm eagerly waiting for the market to open today. Like I said yesterday in yesterday's video, yes, I'm still keen on being the first person to be in the market when the market opens because I need to close these trades here. Okay, so I noticed a question on one of the previous videos, and I thought, wow, this is a good question. Let me try and give my opinion on this. By the way, feel free to disagree with me in the comment section below if you have other thoughts, if you have something else that you believe in. I enjoy hearing what other traders think or what they believe, so that we help one another. That's how you grow. You must be able to listen to other people's ideas, thoughts, and be able to understand where they are coming from. That's how you grow as a person, not just as a trader. So the question was basically, do trading patterns work? Do chart patterns work? You have seen a whole lot of chart patterns in the markets. There are like M's and W's, we have got flags, we've got if you start following it, there is thousands of patterns that people will show you, and they'll tell you that these things work in the market. For example, this is not a perfect example though. This is not a perfect example, I believe. So you forgive me. I'm not a big chart pattern person. If you want to call me that, I'm not that. Let's remove the ray there and do that. So what you probably a chart pattern, I keep saying person. What a chart pattern trader will probably see here is something of a flag. I don't know. We have this as the pole. Again, I'm not saying I'm the biggest chart pattern drawer or person or trader out there, but this will be I think they call it inverted a flag or something like that, because it's looking downward. This is on the dollar index. I believe this then means that price will probably drop this way, if I'm correct. Correct me if you trade flags and these patterns, if I've done this correctly. So there are these flags, there are M's and W's patterns in there's a whole lot of things that people are using in making money. Let me say in making money, because what I've discovered in trading is that there is no one rule fits all scenario make money. What I've discovered in trading, that there are people who are using various things, some things that you look at and like, what are you talking about? But the person is making money with that thing, and you cannot dispute that. For you it doesn't make sense, but it's making money. So if it's making money for the person, for me, then it's not a problem. For example, myself, I tell you that I trade mostly zone to zone. That's my major approach to trading. I'm trying to get what price is going to be doing at these psychological or key levels. I've done a lot of videos on this channel about this, and this system you can download it for free using the links in the description box below. What I'm waiting for is for price to come to these levels of mine, and when it comes to these levels of mine, I am trying to see how is it approaching these levels. Is it approaching these levels with momentum, with these large candles, with these large momentum candles, or are we starting to see these smaller exhaustion candles, which for me might signal that we might start seeing a reversal, because there's some exhaustion that's happening. Here though, there was a breakout here, so I definitely expected to see maybe some reversal before we can push forward. But here we did not have a breakthrough, and with tiny candles forming there. Then out of that, the candles started showing momentum. So for me, that was a signal that we might actually not be interested in pushing down here. We might actually interested in going back up here. Then from that, sorry, I had to clear my throat. So then from that, I can then start looking for entries. Where can I best enter the market so that I can catch this move to the next level? When we get to the next level, then I'm out. When we get to this mid level, then I'm out. But there are also people who trade M's and W's, heads and shoulders, and stuff like that. Yes, you cannot deny that those patterns are there in the market. For example, here, I think this would be a perfect example of a W pattern. Correct me if I'm wrong. Like I said, I'm not a big chart pattern person, trader. So I think this will be a leg. This will be a leg. On the second leg, then the person will take the trade, or they would wait for a break around this area here before they actually take the trade. And actually also this would have been something called an engulfing candle. You can see some of these things that people talk about. So do they work? Do they make money? I think let's agree that trading is most of the time discretionary. People will see what they want to see in the market. I've seen people drawing down dinosaurs on their charts. I've seen cup handle patterns. I'm like, wow, cups. Now people are seeing cups, teapots, or on the charts, and they are able to focus the market on that. Like, wow. So it's some of the things that actually people are using to make money, and you cannot deny that people are using that to make money. So where I'm getting at is, yes, these chart patterns will work for people who believe in them and have tested them and have back tested them, have practiced with them, and they actually have an understanding of which particular chart pattern actually works. Like I said, I've seen people actually drawing pots. I'm like, what? A pot on the chart? But the person is making money. They show you they are making money, and somebody is drawing a dinosaur, somebody is drawing a cup, and they saying they are making money. So you cannot deny that they are making money. So if they are making money, then definitely whatever they are doing is working, whether you believe in it or whether you don't believe in it. What you just need to do as a trader, in my opinion, is find something that works for you, practice the hell out of it, test the hell out of it, find what makes it work, where it doesn't work, where it works, and definitely whatever anybody else tells you about your trading or your style or whatever that you are using, it's just noise. As long as you are making money, everything else is total noise. If you are using whatever you are using, whether you are seeing stars, whether you are seeing angels on the charts, and you are making money with that, trust me, I believe I'm fine with that. And don't let other people tell you, no, you're doing it wrong, you should be looking for maybe trend lines, channels, and stuff like that. So yeah, chart patterns do work, but I think most of them I've seen, there are people who look like at these chart patterns like they have 5 pages of these chart patterns. I think you just need to find the particular chart patterns with the highest amount of probability that they work. I don't think it's simple trading or comfortable trading to be flipping through 5 pages of chart patterns trying to understand what this particular chart pattern does, unless you have got a good memory and you have got good pattern recognition skills. You don't need to go through the whole book. You can just simply from your chart just recognize this is the pattern I'm in, this is the pattern I'm out. Then definitely you can look at more than those 10 chart patterns. But I think if you are going to have to be looking at the chart patterns, then look at your charts, then look at the textbook, then look at your charts, then I think in that scenario you are using too many chart patterns. You need to narrow them down and find the particular ones with the highest profit probability and only focus on those ones. Those other ones are just noise and are a waste of time. That's what I think. So yeah, I do believe chart patterns do work for people who are using them and who are making money with them. Of course, chart patterns do not work if you are using them and they are not making you any money. Then definitely they do not work. For example, support and resistance, supply and demand, it doesn't work for people who have tried it and lost money. But for people who have tried it and are making money, then it works. So it's just you finding something that is you, for you, something that works for you, then you master it, and that's all you need. Everything else is noise. You don't need it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.